side off, bro.
Actually, yeah. Show me the computer. Real
Okay,
quick.
go ahead, man.
Oh, you want
2
I know.
freaking hours, bro. It's probably, bro. Aaron the BC out.
Oh, okay, first of all, let me see your floor real quick.
I don't want.
Oh
Spam
my
delete, spam
god!
delete.
Spam
Spam delete, spam delete.
Spam delete, spam
Delete.
delete. Dude, delete. Do F12, do F12 too, F12.
F12, F12.
F12.
Conquer the
Oh
battlefield, bro.
my god.
Bro. You're like a fucking old man with all those coins. What do you have so many coins?
Is it too late? Is it too late? Is it too late?
Yeah, it's too late.
It's way too late. Oh my god.
Wait, is it too late? Is it too late?
You have to restart your computer again.
Just hold the power button down, bro. Or
That
just
might fucking-
unplug it. Just fucking unplug it, bro.
Oh.
Where
Oh
are
my
we going, bro?
Wait, do you have a Carbon 4?
I don't know.
No.
Alright,
No. Bro, you can't fucking air it out if you have a carpet floor. Bro, that shit.
Alright, turn it back on. Yeah, I was gonna say.
No way, bro. No way, bro.
Dude, that Black Panther goes hard, bro. Oh my god.
That shit,
Oh my god, bro. Bro's fucking goats right now. He goats
No way, bro. I gotta look at my shit, bro. I gotta hope I've clipped that, bro.
Alright, hello?
Oh hello.
Brian, Yaya's going through the truth part right now.
Hey, I'm looking at his stream.
Get
Why?
off!
What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Is it F12 or delete? F12 or delete?
Both. Just spam both.
Alright, I gotta find it.
Oh my
What
god.
do you mean, bro?
Holy fuck,
What is
dude.
there, bro? Right
I
now.
got the clip of Jalen's face.
Nice.
So did I.
What's
So did I.
this?
Oh my. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Wait.
Click OK.
No
All you
USB
can click.
device is detected. Oh, he. Oh my fucking god. We have to know which button it is. Because he fucking loaded into like the BIOS flashing setting instead of just the BIOS.
Oh my god, dude. That's the reason why I told you. I don't want to fucking do it right now, bro. It's such a pain in the ass.
We're doing it. We're doing it.
Wait, what button is it?
I don't know.
Can't move
Look
my
at the
Oh
Wendy's
my
cup.
god.
So what? Are you just like in a fucking cupboard? Is that where you're shooting?
Yes,
Can you
he
please
is.
show
Yes,
the
he
setup?
is.
Back up real quick and show the setup. I look want to see what it looks like.
Do it.
I don't care, bro.
You
don't
don't
matter,
give a
don't matter.
fuck, dude. Oh.
Dude, let me see it. No, like back up all the way, bro. I need to see everything.
Bro, I can't move the mouse. How do I move the mouse?
Just press enter. Press enter.
Yeah, press
Oh my
enter.
god,
Wait.
bro.
Oh,
No,
We're
let's
in,
go.
we're in. Okay,
Let's
we're
go.
in,
Okay.
We're
Advance.
Bro,
Yes, we're
fucking
in,
point
bro.
the camera at the monitor.
I can't see, bro. Bro, the L fucking cameraman.
Oh my god.
Alright,
Okay.
advanced.
Bro, it's all
Go to
fucked.
advance, go to advance.
It's all fucked.
Go to advance.
Use the fucking arrow keys, bro. Where's your mouse?
Not working.
Oh my god.
Jalen, can you like go steal your brother's monitor to test on?
Dude, how do I do this?
Like, we need to be able to see this shit, Jalen.
Dude. Okay, no, he can see everything, bro. He's fine.
No,
What do you mean?
dude, there's nothing on the screen. Obviously, there's something wrong.
Wait, what? There's shit on the screen
No,
now.
it's system status, but where's the status?
I know.
Oh my god, bro. What? Oh my god.
His BIOS is just fucked too, man.
This is unreal. This is actually unreal.
Wait,
Alright, I don't know.
Wait, what?
WASD, bro. Press tab. Start pressing buttons.
Oh my god.
Hey, something flashed. Something flashed up though.
No
I think his
way,
monitor is just
dude.
fucking breaking.
No way.
Alright.
This is crazy.
How
So
can
you
he
said your
even
mouse
leave?
isn't
I have
working?
no idea.
is it too late? Is it too late?
You
Is
said
it
your
too
mouse
late?
isn't working.
Yes, it's too
It's
late.
way too late. Oh my god.
It's not working.
I don't want to do this anymore, bro.
Alright.
Oh my god.
Shut it down again, bro.
And then okay, yeah, shut it down, turn it on again, and make sure you spam those buttons so you get what's it called? So you get in the BIOS again.
Bro,
Oh my
wait,
God.
what the
Oh
fuck?
shit, purple
Backpack
backpack. God, bro.
Wait, hold on, bro.
Hmm.
I have a fucking 10-minute Apex clip apparently. What the fuck? I've been recording shit, bro. I think it's because there's like a key bind
They call it blue.
to
Dude, it
Oh
doesn't
my god.
work for some reason.
Dude, maybe I should watch some of these, see if anything funny
At the mouse,
happens.
I see the mouse. I see
You get the mouse? Okay, okay, go to advance.
This one's 17 minutes long.
But it's not moving. It's
Dude.
not moving.
Wait, that's last night though. I'm keeping these, bro.
Why does the mouse not work?
Okay, okay.
Fucking unplug it and plug it back in, bro.
That's
What's happening, bro? What
Let's
happened?
see-
I
let's
closed
see.
my Valorant.
Fill
eyes
out all
up.
the lines and shit. His mouse ain't fucking working, bro.
Oh my god.
Dude, why doesn't it work?
Oh shit, bro.
Oh, I think I found it.
Holy shit, dude.
Oh.
What did you press, bro?
Hey, what did it say?
Dude, like,
Like,
your
the
camera
fucking
work is so
game.
fucking
Bro, I
bad.
have like 30-minute clips. Oh my god. What the fuck? These are so big. Oh my god. Dude, my
What are you doing?
What do you mean?
No.
Dude, my clip folder is like fucking 300 gigs right now. I gotta clean that shit. Oh my
Wait, Sam, please, let me see them all, bro.
Bro, you gotta like save that in like a fucking Google
my
Drive
God.
or some shit,
Oh
bro.
my
my
fucking
god.
God,
Okay, let me. I have to...
Where is
Dude,
Jalen?
30-minute clips is crazy, though.
There's
Bro,
probably
how are we
like.
supposed? How are we supposed to help Jalen if he
That's
isn't
wrong.
fucking
Dude, he
here?
left, bro. I think his
left.
phone died.
Dude, I'm not
Oh
quite
my
sure where
God.
these videos go to though.